Hi, I'm Clayton Collins, CEO at HousingWire, and today I'm joined by Jason Biegel, president of Change Lending. Change is 5 years into its mission as a CDFI, a mission that has seen Change soar to become the nation's largest non-QM lender. In this conversation with Jason, we'll discuss how Change plans to navigate the next 5 years amid a higher interest rate environment and growing affordability crisis. Jason, thanks so much for joining me today for this conversation.
Sure. Pleasure to be here.
Let's jump right in, Jason. Non-QM can mean a lot of different things to different people. How would you describe the kind of borrower that Change Wholesale helps brokers serve?
Non-QM, or a non-qualified mortgage, is a misleading name as these programs actually provide a potential home financing option for millions of highly creditworthy borrowers who might not otherwise qualify for a home loan. The various programs provide great options for those who are self-employed, freelancers, contractors, consultants, small business owners, and investors, along with all those who use W-9s and cannot qualify under agency guidelines. According to a recent Yahoo Finance report, there are about 16 million self-employed persons in the U.S. Their average national salary is about $84,000 a year, or about $40 an hour. Salaries, of course, vary widely based on industry, location, and other factors. Many freelancers or contractors may work from project to project and receive irregular income, but irregular or inconsistent income is not insufficient income. Change Wholesale's products are built around this growing demand for flexible income and credit requirements by a vital and expanding segment of the U.S. workforce.
Change Wholesale has been a community development financial institution, or CDFI, since 2018. Over this time period, how has your approach changed to serving low-income communities?
Driving our decision to become a CDFI was a clear path we saw to do well for both the company and the community. Indeed, the first word in a CDFI is community. So right from the start, becoming a CDFI puts us on a mission-driven course, committing us to make, at minimum, 60% of our loans to underserved, under-resourced communities and constituents. We continue to exceed these guidelines and today are part of a robust nationwide community development ecosystem that in 2023 financed 126,000 businesses, 76,000 affordable housing units, and more than $57 billion in loans and investments. Buy-in and capital investment from secondary market investors provide vital resources that we can recycle into more markets, including traditionally underserved markets. We've shown our model and mission to be impactful, so we want to continue to scale it and expand it.
So Jason, we've talked about non-QM, we've talked about CDFIs, we've talked about the mission. Now let's talk about Change Wholesale and what differentiates Change for mortgage brokers.
Mortgage brokers love the freedom and flexibility we provide to their business. No one, especially brokers who are independent entrepreneurs themselves, wants to be shoehorned into offering one-size-fits-all products for their customers when their individual needs, goals, experiences, and histories can be so different. Change Wholesale celebrates this independence by offering products that reflect how people truly work and live. Brokers and their customers they serve want selection, speed of execution, and simple, hassle-free guidelines that minimize unnecessary or burdensome paperwork. And we deliver on all of those fronts.
Jason, at HousingWire, our eyes are on the horizon, but we know we have to navigate this challenging market with macroeconomic headwinds and this higher for longer interest rate environment. Thank you for sharing how Change Wholesale and Change Lending are navigating this environment while helping borrowers and brokers. Really a pleasure speaking with you today.
Thanks. Thank you for having me.